Hey everyone, if you're into downloading or streaming content and want quicker, more reliable links, you've likely come across Real Debrid and TorBox. Both are Debrid services, which means they provide premium, high-speed access to files from various hosting sites, but they function a bit differently. Real Debrid is really popular. It integrates with many apps like Kodi, Stremio, and various download managers. Once you log in, you get instant access to fast, high-quality links without intrusive ads or broken files. It's affordable, and the setup is straightforward, especially for streaming. TorBox, on the other hand, is more focused on torrent catching. If you have a magnet link or a torrent file, you upload it to TorBox and their servers download it for you. You can then stream or download the file directly from them, no seeding required, and no waiting for peers. It's ideal if you mainly use torrents. So in short, Real Debrid is great for streaming with wide app support, while TorBox is perfect if you mostly work with torrents. Both are reliable options. Just comes down to how you usually access your content.